guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to make slime, this slime. So somebody asked me to make slime, so shout out to you, Kaina Roman. So what you're going to be needing is glue, Elmer's school glue, white, it needs to be white, and shaving foam, a bowl with water, Barolo slime, something to mix, I'm using a straw, and a bowl or a cup, whatever you will use. So first you're going to be adding your glue. You can put how much you want or how big you want your slime to be. So I'm gonna put mine like this. So right now I'm just gonna put some shaving foam. I'm using Gilead, whatever you name it. Okay, I think that's good. So now you're just gonna mix it. So now you're gonna get your Barolo slime. So you're just gonna be cutting it in small pieces. Like that. So right now I'm just gonna put some water in. So now you're just gonna stir it together. So it will be looking like this. So right now I'm just gonna put it into, and actually you need to put more, so I'm just gonna put like, so like that. Just so now you're just gonna be putting it in your slime. So now you're just gonna mix. If you want, you can add food coloring. So now you're just gonna take it out and start playing with it.